And welcome back. League leaders Mount Pleasant FA will hunt a record-extending 13th straight win when they play away to struggling Harbour in one of 5 games in the Jamaica Premier League on Sunday.
Last year's being finalists, Mount Pleasant FA will look to continue their historic run in the Jamaica Premier League as they face Harbour FC on Sunday at the compound. The St. Anne team are a perfect 12 wins in a row following their midweek 4-1 victory over Harbour United FC and are unbeaten in their last 14 games. They will come up against a Harbour team with 1 win since early November last year.
Well, again, every game we play, we expect a tough game. It doesn't really matter where in the standing the team has. There's 14 teams in the competition, and each time we go out there, we want to give a good counter for ourselves. So it doesn't really matter the opponent, it's always going to be the same Mount Pleasant.
Assistant coach of Harbour Damien Stewart says his team must be able to put together back-to-back wins if they are to stay in the league.
They're not used to it. That's right, and I think that's the thing, because they're used to winning. And they're used to winning and winning, so they won the last game, so I think they thought it's going to go the same thing again. But we have to learn that we are really in a relegation battle, so every game we have to fight for every point.
Elsewhere, Waterhouse, who are coming off back-to-back defeats, will host Malines United, who have just suffered 1 defeat in their last 7 games. However, in front of goal, Malines have been woeful with just 1 goal in their last 6 matches. The game is set for 5:30 p.m. at the Jerusalem Stadium.
I think the final third, our decision making inside here, I think we turn over a little bit too much after leaving the middle third, entering the final third. I think our decision making is a bit off, but that can be fixed on the training pitch, and we will definitely be fixing it.
Before the competition, the player would have prepared for this. I mean that I find no excuses. We have to learn from these moments, and we'll have to go back to the drawing board and we fix going forward.
Portmore United will face Humberline in the opening game of the doubleheader at Jerusalem. Meanwhile, Racing United, with 3 straight wins and 10 points in their last 4 matches, are 8 points outside the top 6 and will face an inconsistent Chapelton Maroons team at Stadium East at 3 p.m. For Racing United captain Markovich Brown, they are focused on extending their stay in the league.
As I said earlier, we spoke about the teams that are 6 and downward one maximum points from them. Chapelton is just below, so we want the 3 points from them and keep this win streak going.
Teams will get closer to us, but we win again and we move further up the table. That has been happening ever since I took over. So it's about winning games. That's how we have to just focus on winning games. We can't worry about other teams. We can't worry about the position on the table. We just need to think about winning games, and everything else will take care of itself.
The other game on Sunday will see Montego Bay United playing away to Dunbeholden FC at 3 p.m.